So this campground was not on any map. I was just driving by, I saw a sign for campground and it's completely empty, even though it's right on a lake. And I picked this site. It's electric. It's $14 a night, and right on the lake. So weird that I find these gems in the middle of nowhere in Minnesota somewhere. I wish I had a kayak so I could go kayaking on this little lake. There's a boat launch, so you could actually do that. And it's a Labor Day weekend. Everywhere is crowded and reserved, but this place is empty.